will see Hop, Skip and Jump Senior KG Numeracy Skill Textbook Contents. This is of Macmillan's Education. The first one, sorting. Circle the animals into sets of same type. Circle the fruits into sets of same type. 1 to 1. Is the number of kites the same as the number of children? Draw a line to match each kite with a child. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. Number of starfish, number of umbrellas, number of birds, number of children, number of fish. Draw 2 wheels on the car. Draw 6 legs for the ant. Draw 5 candles on the cake. Draw a cherry on each cake. Draw a balloon for each child. Left and right. Place your left and right palms on the page. Trace the outlines. Color the flower to the left of Anu orange and right of Anu blue. Color the shirt to the left of your red, to the right of you green and in the middle one blue. Color the star on the left yellow. Color the circle on the right red. Color the arrows that are pointing left red and color the arrows pointing right as blue. Big and small, circle the bigger vegetables. Circle the shorter objects. Tick the taller object. Big, bigger, biggest. Color the big elephant pink, the bigger elephant blue and the biggest elephant red. Color the big bear pink, the bigger bear blue and the biggest bear red. Long, longer, longest. Draw a line longer than the one shown below. Circle the longest ribbon. Tall, taller, tallest. Color the tallest was blue. More and less. Who has more? Circle the picture. Circle the picture that show less. Groups. Circle the group that has the most frogs. Circle the plant that has less flowers. Circle the rabbit which has the most carrots. Next, Goldilocks has brought some gifts for the 3 bears. Help her give the gifts based on size. Then 0. 0 means nothing. 3 balloons, 0 balloons. 2 eggs, 0 eggs. 2 vehicles, 0 vehicles. Circle the picture that has 0 objects. Equal to, count and write the number of apples, the number of buttons, number of fish. Draw equal number of sweets in the jar. Circle the cakes that have equal number of candles. Draw the same number of red spots on the lady bird beetles. Write the numerals. Draw the same number of eggs in each nest. Write the numeral. Draw objects to match the numerals. Count and write Count and write the correct numeral. Match the objects with correct numerals. Write 11 to 20. Write numerals 1 to 20. Look for the number names 1 to 10 in the letter grid. Draw a circle around each one when you spot them. 11 to 20. Match the number names with the numerals. Write the number names from 1 to 10. Write the number names from 11 to 20. Count and write. Complete the blanks. Count and draw. Count and circle. Count and colors. 12 triangles, 9 circle, 14 squares. 21 to 50. Sonu has a jar of sweets. Jar of sweets, jar of sweets. Sonu has a jar of sweets. 10 in number, 10 in number. Write numerals 1 to 50. Fun time. Join the dots from 1 to 50. Color the picture. Position: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. The animals of the jungle are in a queue to drink water. Fill in the name of the animal, the first animal in the queue, the 7th animal in the queue, the 10th animal in the queue, the 3rd animal in the queue, the 5th animal in the queue, and the 6th animal in the queue. Just before, look at the number chart. 2 comes just before 3. 3 comes just before 4, 9 comes just before 10, 12 comes just before 13, 16 comes just before 17, 18 comes just before 19. Write the numeral which comes just before. What comes just before? You can write it down here. Color the numerals that comes just before. Look at the number chart. 5 comes just after 4, 8 comes just after 7, 10 comes just after 9, 16 comes just after 15, 19 comes just after 18, 20 comes just after 19. Write the numerals which comes just after. What comes just after? You can write it down here. Circle the numerals that comes just after. Next, between, look at the number chart. 5 comes between 4 and 6. Same way, write the numerals which comes between. What comes between? Color the numerals that come between. Rearrange the numerals in correct order. The first one has been done for you. Once more, write the numerals that comes just before Write the numeral that comes just after. Write the numeral that comes in between. Greater than, less than. Mr. Crocodile is very hungry. He wants to eat lot of fish. When he opens his mouth, he can hold more fish in the front of that than at the back. Means this is greater than symbol, this is lesser than symbol. 6 is greater than 2, 2 is lesser than 6. Count and write. Put greater than or lesser than sign. The first two are done for you. Number names 21 to 30. Write the numerals and the number names from 21 to 30. Write the numerals and number names from 31 to 40. Write the numerals and number names from 41 to 50. Match the number name with the numeral. Write the number names. Once more, fill in the boxes. Fill in the missing numerals. Rearrange the numerals in correct order. Begin from 10 and join the numerals. Color the picture. Solve the numeral that comes after 4. This is the puzzle which you need to solve it. Count the objects, write lesser than or greater than symbol. Arrange the numerals in correct order. Match the numeral with its number name. Shapes. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. A rectangle has 4 corners and 2 equal opposites to each other. Shapes. A circle has no corners. A semicircle is half of a circle. An oval is rounded like an egg. Count and write the number of triangles. Color them. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Draw and color a triangle. Count and write the number of triangles in each picture. Count and write the number of squares. Color them. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Draw and color a square. Circle the clocks that have a square face. Count and write the number of rectangles. Color them. Rectangle. A rectangle has 2 equal sides opposite to each other. Draw and color a rectangle. Use as many rectangles as possible and draw a picture. Color it. Count and write the number of circles. Color them. A circle has no corners. Draw and color a circle. Circle the lollipops that have the shape of a circle. Count and write the number of semicircles. Color them. A semicircle is half a circle. Draw and color a semicircle. Circle the food items that are cut into semicircles. Count and write the number of vowels. Color them. Vowel. Draw pictures using vowel shapes. Decorate them with hands, legs, eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Match the shapes with the objects. Shapes, collage. Cut the shapes given on page 89 and complete the collage. Shapes collage. Patterns. Match the shape patterns on the left with the shape patterns on the right. Look at the shapes in each row. Draw the next shape in the pattern. Color it. Once more, tick the shapes that are used in following pictures. Say the shape given at the beginning of each row. Identify the similar shape and color it. Count and write the number of each shape. Backward counting. We count backwards when 3, 2, 1, go. Starting a race. Going down a tall building. Up and down. Look at the pictures. Tick who is going up and tick cross mark who is coming down the stairs. Begin from 20 and join the numerals in backward order. Color the picture. Write numerals 10 to 1. Count and write. Count backwards and write. Count backwards and write. Write the missing numerals. Write numerals 51 to 70. Write numerals 71 to 90. Write numerals 91 to 100. Write numerals 51 to 100. Fill in the number carpet. Draw the nose between the eyes. Draw the net between the players. What comes just before? What comes just after? What comes in between? Small to big. Arrange the numerals in order from the smallest to the biggest. The first one has been done for you. Arrange the numerals from small to big. Smallest number, write the smallest numeral in the circle. Pick the country that got the most medals in 2016 Olympic Games. Who scored the lowest runs in the cricket match? Circle. Big to small. Arrange the numerals in order from the biggest to the smallest. The first one has been done for you. Arrange the numerals from big to small. Arrange the numerals from smallest to biggest. Arrange the numerals from big to small. What comes next? What comes next? Color the next picture. Counting in twos, circle the objects in pairs, twos. Skip counting. Let's count in twos. Begin from 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Count in twos. Color the numerals. Write the numerals that you have colored. Let's count in twos. Begin from 1. Count in twos. Color the numerals. Write the numerals that you have colored. Skip counting in twos from 4 to 10 and circle. Skip counting in twos from 8 to 16 and circle. Skip counting in twos from 14 to 22 and circle. Skip counting in twos from 21 to 29 and circle. Skip counting in twos from 3 to 13 and circle. Skip counting in twos from 9 to 19 and circle. Calendar. Here is a calendar for the month of September. Skip counting in twos and color. Begin from 1. Same way, here is the calendar for the month of November. Skip counting in twos and color. Begin from 2. Skip count and complete. Count in twos and circle the numerals. Write the numerals that you have circled. Fill in the circles. Count in twos and circle the numerals. Write the numerals that you have circled. Tanya has done skip counting in twos. Tick the correct ones. Count in twos and circle the numerals. Write the numerals that you have circled. Count in twos and circle the numerals. Write the numerals that you have circled. Fill in the circles. Kangaroo wants to skip counts in twos. Help him by coloring the numerals. Begin from 1. The first one has been done for you. Circle the objects in groups of 5. Count in fives and circle the numerals. Write the numerals that you have circled. Skip count and complete. Complete the missing numerals. Five little monkeys. Count and add. Count and add 2 plus 3, which is 5. Count and write. Count and add. Add 4 plus 3. draw. This is count and add. Count and write. Add 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 1. Count and add. Subtract. Write how many are left in each set. 4 minus 3, 1 is left. 4 minus 2, 2 apples are left. 5 minus 3. Same way, subtract 6 minus 2, 7 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 9 minus 2. Write how many are left in each set. Subtract. Cross count and write 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. Choose the correct answer. How many teddy bears are awake? Subtract and color. Follow the color code. Count, cross and write. Subtract and match. Subtract. Subtract and write the numerals and the number name. Circle the coins that you have seen. Tick the notes that you have seen. Look at the picture. How much do these cost? Money match. Add and color. Tens and ones. Count and write. Tens and ones. Count and write. Count and write the number name. What time is it? Look at the clock given below and read the time. What time does your school begin? Draw the hands to show the time. Time please. This is a puzzle. Next, numbers champ. Can fill in the details. Yeah, this completes the contents of Numeracy Skills Hop, Skip and Jump Senior KG textbook. This is of Macmillan's Education. Completes all the textbooks of Senior KG of CBSE syllabus, which is of Macmillan's Education. For the next textbook, you can follow my next video. Playlists are created and videos are uploaded in sequential order so that you won't miss any of the chapters. Thank you.